In today's video, I am going to share an immensely effective detox and weight loss drink quite effectively known for the belly fat cutter. It helps to reduce your waistline and lose body fat easily. We are using the ingredients which can be found in your kitchen. Before we go ahead with this simple recipe, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Ingredients: 1 cup hot or warm water, 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Coffee is helpful in cutting off the excess fats from our body and detoxification of it. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Lemons help in detoxifying the body, thereby helping burning fat. How to prepare: in a coffee mug or cup, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Cut out half of the lemon, squeeze out at least 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add a cup of hot or boiled water, 250 milliliters, and mix everything well together until nicely combined and well blended. And it is ready to drink warm. Consume this drink every morning in the empty stomach. Take your breakfast after 30 minutes. You can continue drinking this for a month. This drink is super effective when it comes to weight loss and fat burn. Within a week, you will notice great results. You will see inches reduced in a short time. You can lose 2 to 3 inches of belly fat in 1 week. Try this simple weight loss drink and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.